100% olive oil soap. What is the problem with it? Or some people call it Castile soap, 100% olive oil soap. There's a few problems with it, okay? First off, it's really hard to make if you don't know the ingredient, okay? Check out my other video about how to make this Castile soap, the warm method, and you know how to make this soap. And you can use it within 1 month, the normal, usual curing time. Next thing is the lather. The lather is not as the same as other soap. It's not as big bubbles, okay? There's no big bubbles. It's not, if you want to use this in summer, it's not a good idea, okay? This is more a winter soap, okay? So in summer, you gotta clean yourself a lot, okay? A lot of time. So you need some kind of cleansing bubbles soap. So with olive oil soap, very small bubbles, okay? I will show you guys later. I'll do a demonstration how it's different, okay? Okay, so this brand new olive oil soap, I'll leave it aside here. This one is olive oil soap, but I use a soap saver, okay? So you use it like this as well, okay? And the bubbles will improve a little bit, okay? It will not be dramatic, okay? So don't be expect to have normal bubbles, okay? Big bubbles, very small bubbles. Let me show you now. Okay, the reason why people like to use olive oil soap because it's gentle on all skin type. Okay, so this is imagine I'm in the shower. Okay, so this is warm water. Okay, so imagine you soak it up like this. Okay, okay, and you get it with this soap saver. You get a bigger bubbles. Okay, so okay. Okay, without the soap saver, okay, warm water as well, the ladder won't be like this. Okay, the ladder is so small, it's unbelievable. Okay, but when you use this soap saver, I use this for a few months already, a few weeks already. I got this soap saver because of that. Okay, so you can get the ladder like this. Okay, okay. There's more bigger bubbles coming out if you use the soap saver. The reason is there's more surface area. Okay, it rub onto the soap, so we can actually get you better soap, better ladder, bigger bubbles. Okay, if I don't use it, okay, let me take it out. So I show you the difference without the bubbles. So that's A, right? That is with the soap saver. Okay, this is very cheap. You can search for on any. Okay, so that. Okay, let me clean up my. Okay, now without the soap saver. Very slimy, okay? Very slimy, doesn't look good. That's why people hate it, you know? That's why people hate using olive oil soap, because they don't know how to use it properly. So it's very slimy, okay? No bubble at all, okay? It's really hard stretch to get any bubble going. Look at that. If any bubbles, very small. Very small. Look at that. Compared to the other one, I can feel the difference straight away. The bubbles are so small, you'll be disappointed. But if you're into bigger bubbles and you still want to use olive oil soap 100%, I suggest you use with a soap saver. Okay, so get one of these, put it in. Okay, use like that. Okay, so fully. Okay, you can feel the difference. Let me try again. Okay, bigger bubbles, I can feel it. Okay, so that's one way. Okay, and you just hang it up when you finish and let it dry. Okay, don't let it soak. Don't let it soak in the shower. Okay, hang it up somewhere dry. When you finish, when you're done with it, and you're good to go. Okay, so that is 100% olive oil soap. Okay, now I'll do a comparison with just a normal soap. This one is just a normal soap. Okay, let me clean up myself first. Okay, this is normal soap, and you can see the comparison. Okay. Okay, look, see the bubbles? This is your normal soap. Okay, your average Okay, here's the bubble I got. Okay, compared to olive oil, 100% olive oil, I could not get this kind of like bubbles. So if you into bubbles, kind of the reason I got this so much bubble is because I use coconut oil. This is like 40% coconut oil. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, the olive oil A, okay, and this is B. Okay, I'll do a side by side comparison as well, so you can get to feel the difference. Okay, so this is normal soap. Okay, this is olive oil, 100% olive oil soap. Okay, huge difference. But use the soap saver bag, and you would like using olive oil soap in winter. Okay, it's a winter soap, not a summer soap. Okay, remember that. If you want to know how to make olive oil soap, check out my playlist. I have a few videos there for you. Okay, I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.